Hi, I'm Tom, and I'm back to share some info on how to be successful in the Fast ForWord exercise called Ocean Explorer. Some students I work with say this is their favorite exercise because it keeps them moving, and I have to tell you, it's my favorite as well. For others, it may take just a little while for their ears and brain to get used to making sense of the somewhat strange sounds. First, let me tell you what happens to your brain when you get good at Ocean Explorer. You get a brain that is faster because with successful repetition, answers start becoming automatic, or at least almost automatic. In Ocean Explorer, you're asked to work with sounds that are like little pieces of speech. As you make progress, the sounds get closer together and then get shorter and shorter. Because of that, you will get a brain that is quicker and more efficient in coming up with correct answers. So my question would be, do you think a more efficient brain would help you be an even better student? Let me show you how to successfully answer the Ocean Explorer questions. You'll hear two sounds. You'll have to determine the direction. Do the sounds go from lower to higher or from higher to lower? Let me show you a way you can practice for yourself after this video. Look toward the upper right of your screen for the question mark and click on it. That will give you a menu and you'll select Practice. This will let you listen to the examples, 4 different sequences that you will be hearing. Here they are. Let's listen to a sequence where both sounds go up. Notice on the screen the up button is labeled Weep. You heard 2 weeps, so if you were out of the practice mode, you'd click twice on the up button. This sequence will be one where both sounds will go down. You'll listen and say whoop whoop after you hear the sounds. Now listen to a sequence where the first sound goes up and the second down. Go ahead and identify it by saying weep whoop as you hear it. Finally, whoop first, followed by a weep. And you would say whoop weep. After you determine the direction, you simply let the computer know which sound came first and which sound came second by clicking on the appropriate buttons. Once you have that down, you'll want to concentrate on your accuracy. That means you'll have to focus your attention on the sounds, give your brain just a bit of time to process what you've heard, then click on the up-down buttons in the order you heard them. The way you progress in Ocean Explorer is pretty simple. If you get 3 answers in a row correct, the computer moves you forward a small step. You'll keep that progression going until you miss an answer. When that happens, the computer will adapt immediately by going back 1 step, making it slightly easier by giving you a bit more pause time between the 2 sounds. Before I end with an accuracy challenge, let's look at 2 other features. First, if you aren't quite sure what you heard, you can have the sounds replayed for you. Just look toward the top right of your screen for this symbol. Click it, and the sound sequence will be replayed. Second, once you are comfortable with how Ocean Explorer works, you'll probably want to turn on autoplay. If you do that, you won't have to be constantly hitting the go button when you're ready for the next set of sounds. You'll still have to click on it once in a while, but not nearly so often. And if it ever gets where the sounds are coming at you too fast, just turn autoplay off. Now the challenge. On your screen, you'll always be aware of your streaks. Look here for your current streak, and here for your highest streak of the day. The higher the streak, the quicker you'll level up and even out of Ocean Explorer. So set a goal of beating your high streak every day. Numbers well over 100 in a row are possible with focused attention. Ask your teacher to download a PDF of the streaks and percent complete chart that looks like this. It will be located in your teacher's MySciLearn resources. At the end of each day's session, you'll be taken to today's report, which will give you your streaks and completion numbers for the day. Write them down each day and challenge yourself to beat your previous high accuracy streak. I'm thinking this is enough for one video. The computer will give you some other tips, such as how you uncover the different objects on the ocean floor. So as soon as you can, log into Elements One and see if this makes a difference in Ocean Explorer. Thanks for watching.